Today, the high cost of luxury automotive ownership. When it comes to maintaining and repairing your vehicle, it can be very expensive, especially when it comes to luxury vehicles. I've got the top 4 most expensive luxury brands to maintain over a 5 and 10 year period, along with some other data points. By the way, the average car costs around $900 per year to repair and maintain. That's the average for a normal car, but that can be twice the amount for a luxury vehicle. So these rankings are based on long-term ownership, frequency of breakdowns, probability of needing a major repair, which is anything over $500. So here they are. Number 1, Porsche. Porsche tops the list with an average annual cost of $2,200. The maintenance repair costs increase significantly as that vehicle ages, with the 10th year costing owners an average of $4,700. Porsche vehicles also have a high probability of requiring major repairs, 16% worse than the average luxury brand. Next, BMW. It isn't far behind Porsche in terms of maintenance costs, averaging just under $2,000 annually. Despite having entry-level models starting in the high 30s, the long-term costs remain high, with the 10th year costing almost $3,700. BMW vehicles have a 45, almost 46% chance of needing a major repair in the first decade, nearly 11% worse than the average luxury brand. Next, Land Rover, known for its luxurious and rugged vehicles, averages $1,850 annually for maintenance and repairs. Starting costs are lower than Porsche, but still climb significantly, reaching $3,400 by year 10. Land Rover vehicles have a 41% chance of requiring a major repair within 10 years, 6.6% worse than the segment average. Lastly, Jaguar rounds the top 4 with an average annual cost of $1,700. While Jaguars are notorious for reliability issues, they are slightly more reliable than the other 3 brands listed, with a 40.5% chance of needing a major repair in the first decade. That is just over 5% worse than the average luxury vehicle. So your key takeaways here. Luxury vehicles cost a lot, particularly from these 4, and come with significantly higher maintenance and repair costs compared to the average vehicle. The maintenance costs for these brands tend to increase as the vehicles age, often doubling or tripling over the years. And these luxury brands also have a higher probability of requiring major repairs within the first decade of ownership if you plan on keeping it that long, adding to your long-term ownership costs. Either way, understanding these costs are crucial for potential buyers like yourself if you want to go luxury. While the allure of high-end brands is strong, it's important to consider the substantial ongoing expenses that come with maintaining such vehicles. For more insights and updates on the automotive industry, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And if you are in the market for a new or used vehicle, luxury or non-luxury, check out quotes.everymandriver.com. New or used vehicle price quotes from qualified dealerships in your zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your area, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles to save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used vehicle of your choice. That is quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link below this video. That's my video for today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. It's free and it really helps support this channel. See you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.